If you don't want to spend money for freelancers to make your photos vectors, I have a solution for you. You have to come to this website. Here you will get the option to drag and drop. You have to click here. I take the image here, which I uploaded. And the image here, which changed it, zoom it. You can see that its pixels have burst here. If we look at this, we will make it a vector image. It converts my original photo into a vector. You can zoom it as much as you want. No matter what I do, it won't burst. You watch, you will see the one next door. So it is cracked. Here I click on download, and here you can see the options, in which formats you have got it. For filial, I select PNG, and if you want, you can change them from other settings. If you can, then download, and here is my image, zooming it. If you have solid pixels, then designers are very fond of creating plus point vector images, so this tool can be very useful for you. Try it, and don't forget to follow. If you have any questions about it, leave a comment down below.